being able to share Asian culture with the Rice community. It's important to just bring everyone together and just like have a good time.
And I think especially this year, we tried to have a variety of different acts. Previous years we have a lot of dance acts, but this year we even brought in that youth orchestra, which is really able to showcase the beauty of like Chinese instruments and Chinese music as well. We start planning this event back in September, and it's kind of for the sole purpose of being able to bring the Rice community together and help celebrate Chinese culture and other Asian cultures as well through amazing performances and shows, a lot of different acts. And I think that's what really makes this event special.
Our team, Rice Lions, is a student-led team. We've been practicing since last semester, from anywhere between 2 to 4 practices each week. A lot of people have never seen lion dancing before. I think it's a really special performance that they are able to witness.
We put so much work into lion dancing, and it's amazing to come out to such a big event and like be able to showcase our work for all my friends, family, and it's just so much fun. It's really nice to be able to celebrate with the community here at Rice.